Oh my god. Who's this guy?
Some small fucking ordinary fruit.
How do you feel today? Did you eat anything today?
I did.
You did?
I had waffles and then a bagel. So I'm all carved up.
Hell yeah. All I had was a banana and a lot of water.
I know, I didn't drink as much water as I should.
I brought water though, so just so we don't get dehydrated.
It's sponsored by...
Oh yeah, dude. Look at this guy.
R.I.P. The screen. It still works.
It still works, but bro absolutely shattered his whole.
I'm gonna fucking put some glass in my fingers.
We're literally last in line.
To be fair, I got us lost, so that's not...
No, it's not your fault, man. It's not your fault,
Honestly,
man.
we should get a day pass for Golds. I think it's only like 20 bucks.
Oh really?
I think so.
I'm down. Just work out over there. After standing in this line, how do you feel right now? Sweating?
I haven't touched a single weight. I haven't met Mr. Late either.
Yeah, we haven't seen David Lade or anyone. I mean, I'm like his #1 fan. I'm literally him, dude.
One day I wake up, I'm literally him. He's literally him.
Literally him.
If you want to talk about it, go for it.
Are you freaking out as much as I am right now, man? Like literally, I'm about to. He's like literally right there. He's literally right there.
Nice to meet you. Who's your favorite like influencer?
That man right there.
Good timing. Very good timing.
Literally, right?
I know.
Just got it.
I will wait in line until he gets here.
He's so aesthetic.
I know.
Yo, what's going on?
What's your name?
Armin.
Armin? Nice to meet you. You guys got good hair flow.
Thank you.
Both of you guys.
Thank you.
Oh man, I'm just basking because it's hot.
How are you feeling?
How's it going?
I'm sorry.
What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob, nice to meet you.
We love your vlogs or your videos rather than vlogs.
Thank you. My films.
Yeah.
Films.
I used to be a filmmaker.
I'm Armin. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Rocking that ZV1.
ZV1, of course,
Great
yeah.
choice.
I mean, it kind of overheats, but I learned that I had to change the setting.
Settings to high heat mode.
Yeah. I don't. Which camera was it? The red?
I shot on an iPhone ZV1 in red.
iPhone
Moto, yeah.
I might need you to fix my camera settings. I'm trying to get it to look like.
sneaky picture profiles.
Is that where you're coming out with that?
I'm gonna be coming out with presets and also tutorials on how to grade yourself. Because the thing with presets is like I can take a picture of you right here, make it look perfect, but then I can have you stand right there and take the same picture,
totally
use the same preset and it looks like shit.
Yeah.
So like I feel like I want to give a few cookie cutter presets, but also want to like teach like the fundamentals of like how you got there and stuff.
That's really sick.
Yeah.
That's really awesome.
What's up, guys? What's going on, man? Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. I'm Armin. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on. 9, 40. Come on, Greg, show them what you got. Come on. 9, push. 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, 4, 3. Come on. 3 more. Let's go. Come on. 2. 1, 2. There you go. One more. Oh, dude. Oh, yeah.
Will Tennyson just made me ice cream.
Just made you ice cream, dude.
Guy's such a savage, coolest guy out here. He's Mr. Late, of course, but this shit is delicious.
I know, dude. How many was that?
51 actually.
How many did he want you to do?
50. He told me to do one more. I'm not gonna tell Will Tennyson no.
Definitely not, man. Definitely not.
Let's go, Camille. 105 on the bench. Let's get it.
Are you still in a state of euphoria from this?
Dude, I'm still on cloud 9. I met Mr. Late, Steve Cook, and Will Tennyson, and I was recorded in a Will Tennyson video.
He literally gave you ice cream, bro.
And he gave me ice cream, anabolic ice cream. This shit is so gas. I'm lactose intolerant.
You cannot shit that out, bro. You have to keep that in your...
I'm gonna shit myself.
You're literally gonna have
and then
to
I'm gonna keep the shonies.
Reduce, reuse, recycle, man.
Exactly. Can it be?
So free of
What am I
charge.
gonna do to get some free shit? flavor?
This one's lemonade.
Lemonade?
Yeah. Do you want to try
I've never
it?
had any. Yes.
Or do you want all three of them?
I've had the other two. Strawberry lemonade and the blue one.
Do you want?
I've never had this one.
Okay. Do you want?
Say yes. Just say yes.
Do you want to send you them?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Like, you know, there you go. We give you three. We'll give you guys each three.
Thank you. Oh, that looks good.
So lemonade?
Lemonade.
Say that again?
No.
So much what?
Supplements.
So much stuff. Bro, there's literally just like cans and
I know,
cans and cans.
Turn into a Young Malay event. And then they kick me out forever.
Real Madrid.
Alright, I gotta get in. I gotta get in.
Bradley's here.
Everybody knows back.
I told myself I wasn't gonna walk up to sushi because everybody else was doing that. I folded
And we folded.
What's good, bro? What's up, man? How are you? Good. How are you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, man. I see you're wearing this 645 squat shoes.
Holy fuck, dude. I don't know how you remember that, but yeah. No, yeah, that's an OG video right there.
I know, bro.
That'd be a year and a half
Honestly,
ago.
like literally, that was the video that got me into powerlifting.
Holy shit.
Got me these shoes.
Bro's got the
dude.
smoke grays on.
Yeah,
That's
man.
so
You already
fucking
know.
sick,
Sad, but we met the GOAT, Mr. Seid.
Mr. Lade and Wheeze, dude. That was literally nuts. I didn't get a picture with him, but he's on video, so it's proof that you guys saw him. I definitely think this was worth it, honestly.
100%. It was most definitely worth the drive. It was worth the gas, even though Mr. can't disclose his name because we'll probably demonetize it because it sucks. But gas prices are due to him.
Damn. Yeah, they're pretty expensive, man. But honestly,
we got a Subaru. It's relatively
good gas mileage. Highly recommend.